Welcome by this new pack opening. I have two sets. Both are evolutions, and this one is with the promo and the coins, and this one is just one pack. This one is just €1 expensive than this one, but you get the coin and promo card. And you could get from this, you could get Greninja and Weezing. I choose for Greninja because I liked it more. And the coin is very random. One time you get Pikachu, the other time one of the starters. Or you get Deoxys. And go on. I heard also that the Weezing has in the pack more chance of good cards than the Greninja one, but I going to look forward. I do this one as last, and I go for this one. Going to open it. This one was today not that expensive. It was 6 cents. 6 cents less. But we have a Venusaur. Yeah, Mega Venusaur at the front. It's weird because we buy this one and we get this one. But I'm going to open it. And we have a Pikachu at the front. Card trick. 3 at the front. These two are rare or holo. For the ones that don't know it, we begin with Hunter, Brock's Grind, Slowbro Spirit Link, Pikachu, Doduo, Caterpie, Drowsy, Diglett, and the reversed holo is an Arcanine, that's a rare, and the rare in this set is an Electrode. Non-holo. Alright, we're going to go with this pack. If I can open it. It didn't go open that well. Sorry. Alright, I have opened it. It's in Raichu. Here's the Greninja promo. And the coins. It's a Froakie. I'm going to open this pack. Code card aside. I don't give away the code cards because I'm going to use them for myself. Okay, we begin again with a Slowbro Spirit Link, Brock's Grind, the Evolution Spray, Machoke, Growlithe, Water Energy, Tangela, Voltorb, reverse holo of a Weedle, and where is a Starmie non-holo. This is the package opening. No, not that good of a pool that we got. This Arcanine and the Greninja I love the most. But the others, meh. But I didn't expect that to happen. Next time I'm going to, about 3 weeks I'm going to do another one. But I'm not sure. Bye bye, and I see you by the next video.